What's up, my YouTube friends? Johnny V out here in Biloxi, Mississippi. Out here awaiting this storm. Looks like I'm gonna ride it out from around the 9th floor. There's Deer Island out there. There's boats, a little boat towing in. Ocean Springs Bridge, a new bridge they built from the hurricane. Palace Casino's over there. There's the Biloxi Bay Bridge. Where's Jim Cantori at? It's like the calm before the storm. All those boat slips are vacant. It's pretty unprotected, except for Deer Island. The water here is unprotected. It's just like a small. I think we'll see the tidal surge should go over the island. Right there's the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico. This looks like a good vantage point for the storm. Lucky I got this room. Makes a couple videos. Alright guys, I'll do another update when I see fit. Think I should bring these chairs in? I'll be riding the storm out from in here, guys. Come on out. Let's have a hurricane party. Alright guys, I'll do another update later. I'll see y'all next time. Soon.